So here we have the final project. It's using, as usual, an Arduino to build a robot from spare parts that I found. So this robot responds to light using the light-dependent resistor here, and can turn and is controlled by the flex sensors in the front, here and here. Now, depending on the angle at which flex sensor is bent, determines the angle of which the front wheel will turn, controlled by this servo motor. Now, it only functions in darkness for the effect of, well, it's a demon robot, and to brighten the LEDs, but for demonstration's sake, I am working in light and will simulate darkness by touching the photoresistor. So, by touching the photoresistor, it goes through the activation sequence, in which the head scans after turning on, and plays the Imperial March. At this point, you have to touch the soft potentiometer, otherwise it will go into the demon sequence. So going through this again, it starts, and say I don't touch it, or just touch the wrong part of it. Only red flashes, and you hear that sound for a full 10 seconds. Yes, obnoxious. That's the point. So I'm going to turn this off. So there, I didn't touch the right spot. So, going through this, if you touch, since we're working in light here, say I touch the right part of the potentiometer, but since we're in light, it's going to automatically deactivate. The deactivation sequence you just saw there, the LEDs in front flash, and the speaker will emit a kind of squealing noise. So, say it's actually in darkness. It's going to go forward, but unfortunately I don't have the turning sequence quite figured out, so it'll turn but not well. And it also is delayed when reacting to light. But it can be run on battery power, but for now I have it run on the computer just so that it's fully powered. The battery here is kind of dead, but it does function on battery. As you can see, the wheels are driven by these two servos, which have been modified to be continuous instead of stopping at 180 degrees. So there you have the final project.